Hello students, and we are back with another video wherein we will be learning how to install SQL on our system. So first you have to type MySQL on Google, then click on downloads. Once you've downloaded, please go to MySQL community GPL downloads, go to the installer for Windows, and post that you have to click on the second one, that 431.7 download. Yes, so this is the one which you are going to download. It should start automatically. In case it doesn't start, you can just click on no thanks, just start my download. Once it is downloaded, you have to click on it and start installing on your system. That will take some time, and that's how it will look. So I believe this looks so good, and you have to wait for some time. Yes, it is getting downloaded. It's getting installed in your system. And yes, there we go. Now you can see you have to click on the custom mode, click on the next button. Now what all things you need, you can click on the plus sign and start doing it. So the first thing which we need is MySQL server. Then the second thing which we need is basically the workbench. I'll tell you what is workbench and what is it. And we also need a shell. So these three things we need, and then you have to click on next. You just have to check the requirements. It will take some time, and click on the execute button. Okay, you can click on I agree and click on install. This is the Visual Studio Code redistributable version. I think everybody knows about it, and we have already worked on it in our HTML videos. Yeah, then click on next. Here we go. It is installing all the three things which we told to install. Yes, the server, the workbench, and the shell. So you have to wait for some time. It will take some time. So by the time it's getting installed, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Yeah, so it's already done. 45%, it's already done. And yes, it's done. Okay, so you can click here, click on the next button. Once it is done, yes, click on next again. Click on these TCP IP, the port, the click on next button again using the strong encryption password. This one you have to select. Please select your password of your choice, whatever you like. And I would say please do remember your password as well, because you may need it again and again. Click on the next button, and you can give the name whatever you like, the standard system account, and go on. Yes, once you click on it, that was the path where you have to install. Then click on execute and it will apply all the configuration which is listed over here. Okay, then you can click on finish. Yes, and click on the next button. All right, click on finish again. Yeah, so this is all the, like, where you all, if you want to keep it on the desktop, and also all those things are there. So click on finish and automatically the command prompt opens, and here's your workbench which looks like this. So most of the SQL queries we will be executing over here. This is specifically for class 12th. Okay, so now you can just go to your wherever you have installed your system, MySQL. You can just click on it, click on the server, click on bin, and copy this path. This path you have to copy, and once you have copied this path, you just have to set the environment variables. So why do you need environment variables is because it is, able to set up the different configuration options for different environments. You just have to click on new and paste this path. These are very helpful because they allow you to change which of your environments use which third-party service environment. And this is where you can distinguish between the different environments. So it is very important to set up this. Okay, now you can just click on it. And once you've done this, then you can click on the command prompt, that is CMD. And please check the version. So how do we check the version is, you just have to type MySQL hyphen, you will type version, and it will give you the version which is installed in your system and plus the license which you have taken, that is community server GPL license. Then you'll type MySQL -u, u stands for the user, and then root is for the root and the password, that is -p. Then you can enter the password, and from here onwards you can start writing your queries. So if you see, all the details are being mentioned over here, and in the coming up videos I will be teaching you how to write the queries in SQL.